So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find an English speaking voiceover artist on the Fiverr mobile application. So once you guys are on Fiverr, you guys can either go to the magnifying glass right here at the bottom or the home screen. They both pretty much work the exact same way. So let's say we're on the home screen here, go to the top and search up services. And because you're looking for a voiceover right here, I'm just going to go ahead to the top and type in voiceover. So once you're on the voiceover page right here, if you want to make sure that you're actually getting an English speaking voiceover artist, you can go ahead and just where it says shop by, you can press language right here. Then you can go ahead and select the language. So in this case, you can press English. If that's not good enough for you or you want to refine your search even more, you can press on where it says shop by, press on all, and then you can get more information here. So where it says category, you can make sure that just voiceover is selected. If you're looking for a female voice or a male voice, the age range. So let's say, for example, you're looking for a female that's adult, that speaks English. The accent is, if you want maybe a British accent or an American accent or a Canadian accent, whatever the case may be, you can scroll down as well and really refine your search. So if you want more of like a video narration, more of like a casual tone, if you want to go ahead and do this way, if you just want to go to the bottom, you can do the location, seller speaks English, all this stuff. If this was good to you, go to the bottom, press results right here. Now it's going to refine your search even farther in regards to an English speaking voiceover artist. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to find an English speaking voiceover artist on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.